If you want to change the video background in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to remove the original background and replace it with a new image or video background. This is perfect for editing talking head videos, product clips, content for social media, or any project where you want a more polished and professional look. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video ready to edit. Once you're inside, import the video you want to work on. After that, drag the video onto the timeline so you can start editing it properly. Now click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. With the clip selected, look for the background removal option. In CapCut, you'll click Remove BG and then turn on Auto Removal. CapCut will analyze your footage and automatically separate the subject from the original background. This is one of the fastest ways to change a background without needing advanced editing skills. Once the original background is removed, it's time to add your new one. You can import an image or a video that you want to use as the replacement background. After importing it, place that background on the track below your main video in the timeline. This layering is what makes the effect work correctly because the subject stays on top while the new background shows behind it. After that, you may need to resize and reposition the foreground video so it fits nicely with your new background. You can zoom in, zoom out, or move the subject around until everything looks balanced. If the subject is too close to the edge, adjust the scale and position until the framing looks clean and natural. Now take a moment to preview the result. Watch the video back and check whether the background removal looks smooth and whether the new background matches the subject properly. If something looks off, go back and make small adjustments. You might want to reposition the clip, change the background, or fine-tune the crop until it looks exactly how you want. This is a really easy way to make your videos look more creative and professional in just a few minutes. You can use a plain background for a clean studio look, a colorful image for social media content, or a moving video background for a more dynamic style. Once you get comfortable with the process, you can use it for all kinds of edits in CapCut. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.